Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to use stylish font on Facebook application. There you can see this is my Facebook application and I open my profile, and after that there you can see I posted here 2 minutes ago and I typing something like that, hello everyone, how are you? And if you want to make this font stylish, so what should you do, or how can you make this font stylish? In this video I will show you that. There have no option on Facebook, you need to follow a tricks for a stylish font. So let's get started. So guys, you need to minimize your Facebook app first, and after that you need to open any kind of browser. Like that I open my Chrome browser, and now you need to go search bar and type for stylish font. Just type stylish font, then go, and you need to open your first link. I open it, and you need to type this which one you want to post on your Facebook apps. I type here, hello everyone, hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you? I just type it, and on the down there you can see lot of stylish font is showing here. You can choose any stylish font from here for your own choose, and after choose your stylish font, just tap and hold over this font, then you can select your stylish font. Like that I select it, then you need to copy it. That's it. Now you need to go your Facebook apps, and you need to go your post option. There you can see, and you can paste here, paste. That's it. There you can see that is showing a stylish font. Now you can post yourself like that, hello everyone, how are you? Then tap on post on the top right side. There you can see the stylish font on your Facebook apps. There you can see. So guys, it's pretty much easy, and you can use a stylish font on your Facebook application like this. So I hope you can understand, and this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.